Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another free product. This is a paid, shoppable video, free product. Let's get straight to it. These are a headlight set. High beams, low beams, LEDs. Let's get straight to it, shall we? First thing is gloves. You want to wear gloves when you install these, because just the slight oil from your skin can actually take away the lifespan of these LED headlights. It'll make them overheat and make them go bad. So always wear your gloves when you're changing these out. You don't really necessarily have to wear the gloves when you're taking the old ones out. Make sure you're wearing the gloves when you're putting the new ones in. When you touch the gloves and take them out of here, there is your headlights. Low beams and high beams. And the way you'll know the low beams and the high beams is they have a different plug-in jack. All right, so from here forward, let's just do an install video of a headlight, high beam and low beam. Then the other side is just the same. All right, so looking in your car, I have a Toyota Highlander 2016. So always when you're ordering from Amazon, you're ordering your light bulbs, make sure you put your year and your model of your car in so you get the correct headlights, low beams and high beams. It'll automatically tell you which ones you need. So right here, you have one set of bulbs, and over here, you have another set of bulbs. They're very, very simple to change. You just take this here and you turn it. Sometimes you just have to push it a little bit. And you can see that I already have some LEDs in here. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to change them again. And they've been in there for about a year, so it's, it's a good time to change them anyway. So all you really have to do, and I'm not going to worry about touching these ones as I'm changing them, is you just push this little button here and unplug your old one. So, and this one you can see that the plug-in is a little bit, they're spread apart. So you want to find the headlight over there, the new one that matches this. So I'm going to put this one down. I'm going to put my glove on. And I'm going to find the one that has the spread apart one, and I got lucky the first time. So I'm going to show you on the difference though here. So you can see there's one with a narrow, that's going to be, and then here's one, a brand new one, that are spread apart. Now, the difference between this one here is this one really doesn't have much of a fan on it, so this one can get hot. These new ones, the Terminator, have fans on the side to keep them cool. So that is a very nice feature. So all you're going to do is take this and plug it in. It snaps in just as then you just put it in the reverse way that you took it out. It's pretty simple, really. And it pops in just like that. That's as hard as it is right there. Perfectly simple. Take this one out here. Same way. Just unscrew it. Unplug it. Put that one to the side. And now we're going to get one of those narrower ones. So I'll show you that one. This one was the old one. It's got the narrower plug. So I'm going to get one of the new Terminators with the fan. Plug that in. Pop it in until it pops. And then you just simply, exactly the way it came out, cinch it down. How hard was that? Very, very easy. So that is one side, complete side of the bulb. Now, to finish up the video, let's talk about the actual new bulb itself as compared to some of the other ones. It has this fan to keep it cool. It has a heat sink to keep it cool. It has 33,000 lumens, and it is designed for 360 degree perfect round light. So it lights up for 360 degrees all the way around it, completely even. even light all the way around. And I'm telling you, if you've never had LED lights, especially as we get older, driving at night, are you one of those people that doesn't like to drive at night because it's too dark outside? These have helped me immensely. These are super, super bright. I know you get annoyed at people that have these LED lights when they're driving at you. I tell you what, you won't be annoyed when you have them in your car. I mean, you can see deer coming at you. It just is so wonderful. Go out and get your Terminator 33,000 lumen lights today. Regulars and brights. Very nice. Go out and get yourself your Terminator lights today. Very nice.